and welcome to my crib. So cringy. Come on in. So guys, this is my empty, oh, cat is trying to escape. Well, this is Thunder. I haven't introduced him yet, but he likes to escape my house. So, this is like my entrance. If you watched my last video, I like DIY'd my own little entrance table, and it's gonna go right here. It's gonna be bougie and stuff. And if you come on over here, this is where people make food. And like, imagine like a dining room table here. It's gonna be sick. My awesome landlord, I'm out of breath. Cat. So my awesome landlord, love her to death, Bundy, enough. She left me these chairs. I'm gonna like DIY them to make them white because blue is not my aesthetic. And I'm gonna put a table here. This is like my kitchen. And like, look at these appliances. They're stainless steel. Look at that dishwasher. I've never had a dishwasher that works, so I'm excited because my awesome landlord said this works. This is some bougie shit right here. A spice rack. What? So that's gonna be cool. Look at this, I've never had anything like this. It just goes wee. I'm gonna wash my dishes there or whatever. That's it for the kitchen. Let's go and show you the rest of the house. This is my not empty living room. It's kind of funny because it's supposed to be empty. But over here, I'm gonna lay something. I don't know what I'm doing here because my sister's gonna decorate my house for me. I got this couch from Marketplace for $100. And I got this from Amazon. 70 bucks. My sister found this in the guest room closet upstairs. So, landlord, I'm not saying her name for personal reasons. If this is yours and you want us back, let me know. This fireplace. I've never had a fireplace and I don't think I'll use it much. It's cute. It's cute. So this is my bathroom for the main floor. So this would be like the guest bathroom. It's super cute. It's pretty small and I love it. There's no bathtub. I think they call it a half bath. This is my it's touchscreen. Like, it's cool. I don't know how to use it, so I'm just like touching it, but it controls the heat and stuff. Yeah, so that's pretty dope. Never had that. Anyway, so if you come on over here, this is my elegant staircase. Also, side note, the whole house is like green and uneven colors. So I will be, not me, my sister will be painting the entire house because I don't like mint green. Thunder, what are you doing in my laundry basket? You keep interrupting my video. Children, am I right? But let's head up the stairs. Just imagine like really nice paintings here after it being white. My favorite part of the house, guys. I've never had an office, okay? I need to get used to the stairs. My pudge is just like bleh. And here is just this closet space for like towels or to like lock my cat in there when he annoys me, because like why not? Again, with the wall colors, we're gonna be changing this, but this is like the bathroom. So I would just be taking a bath here and it's so deep and shit. Imagine the bath. Hi, Fundy! I'm gonna throw you in the water. Yeah. Then we got some showers. Oh, and the coolest thing is, storage! What? I've never had that. And check this out. I can put my toilet paper down there in case I run out. This is a bougie place. The guest room. But like, check out this closet. Someone's like breaking and trying to rob you, and then you grab the cat, and then you just go in here and you're like, I'm too fat for this. Fuck. Got crouched. Bam! No murderer's gonna see me in here. I think this will become like my hiding from the murderers. Sunny would definitely get us killed. Wipe my upper lip sweat and let's go. Bougie, this room is so big. Go! This is going to the guest room. My sister's gonna paint this wall, like, I'll put a color up here or something, or maybe it'll be a surprise. You'll never know. You will in the next vlog. But this closet, guys, look at this. There's like a stool for sitting in the closet. Like, imagine like painting your toenails here. That was really random and weird. But my sister's gonna like DIY this, which will be a vlog, and basically it'll be a vlog of my sister doing all the work because I'm lazy. Upper lip sweat. Is it gone? Let's show y'all the basement. Let's go. I am so scared of basements. I don't think I'll be using it. Basements creep me out, guys. Hello, is there a murderer down here? Or a possessive Annabelle? I think we're in the clear for now. Well, this is scary. So this is gonna be my gym. It has, did you just see We thought we had a professional. Anyways, this is my basement. This has workout flooring. It's marble, as you can tell. And the treadmill's gonna go here. Thundy, no, you're gonna get lost under there. No. No. Can you just love me, please? Love me. Workout floor is gonna be cool. I'm gonna get like workout stuff in that and like a workout bar. I can do like some squats. And then over here is pretty boring. There's just laundry and that's about it. Hey guys, so that was my empty house tour. So I figured I'd just sit down and let you guys know how it's been going and introduce little Thundy to you. The little guy who was going crazy throughout my whole video, getting into new spots of the house and exploring. So this is Thundy. You guys have already met Jin, but that's his older brother. And this is Thunder, I call him Thundy. Yeah, he is so cute. He's fully gray and he's just so cute. And he loves to explore and he just loves his life. Okay, so basically updates on how I enjoy the house so far and a few little other updates. I just had a shower. I'm just sitting down having the rest of my frappe. I'm trying to cut down how much I have because these are really unhealthy. And I have to start making my own coffee. It's just that I don't have like my coffee machine here yet and all that fun stuff. So I've kind of just been grabbing these from the store and drinking these. But I'm hoping to have like my Keurig here so that I can make my own coffee. So it's just a bit more healthy. I spent my first night here on the 14th and today's the 18th. So I've spent a few days here. Honestly, I am in love with it. The lighting is amazing here. Obviously not right now just because it's kind of too bright. It's been very stressful because it's also my final exam week. So I have a final tomorrow and I had one due on Sunday. And it's been a little bit stressful just because I'm trying to move and finish moving all the stuff from my apartment to here because I only have it till the end of the month. And it's getting a little stressful and I just don't have everything done yet. And everything's not unpacked. I don't have everything set up the way that I want it. But I'm just trying to stay positive because I don't want to complain too much. And yeah, as you can tell, I don't know if you guys can see, but my skin is also just not doing well. I don't think I told you guys this, but I actually got the implant. So it's basically a birth control that they put in your arm right here. Like I can feel it. Like you can't see it, but I can feel it and it feels really weird. But ever since then, I've been having a lot of hormonal outbreaks and stuff, like hormone imbalance, I don't know. But my doctor said after 3 months, it should, like my hormones should settle down. I should go back to normal. I don't know if anyone else has this because apparently it just became legal in Canada not too long ago. But yeah, so I don't know. I hope it just goes away because it is so bad. And then I want to do like makeup and stuff, but when I do makeup, it just suffocates it. I don't know, I've never had this type of like acne. I've never had acne on my cheeks, or at least not a lot of it, or not recently. I usually get like a few on my head and it goes away, like my forehead, but then it goes away pretty fast. So I'm just not used to this type of acne. So I'm just struggling with that. Like it makes me super emotional and then I want to cover it up. But like usually when I have acne and I put makeup on, it's fine. Like if I cleanse it that night, it's fine. But when I put makeup on this type of acne, it just goes like crazy. Like it literally outbreak, like I have an outbreak on my skin while the makeup's on. I don't know. Sorry guys, I'm just ranting about it because it's super frustrating. But yeah, I did hope you guys enjoyed the empty house tour. I am like loving living here. It's so peaceful and like the lighting is so well and I feel so happy here. The water is amazing. My old apartment's shower sucked. Like it was always hot or cold. There was no in between. And when I say hot, I mean boiling hot or super cold. And it would randomly switch temperatures. And I talked to my landlords and I was like, hey, can you like fix that? Because it's ridiculous. And they did not. And I mentioned it to them like 3 or 4 times throughout the time I was living there. And then eventually I was just like, you know what, whatever, I'm over it, I'm just gonna move. Yeah, I honestly love it here. My cats are super happy. Like I got like one little guy right here under my computer, just chilling. He's kind of taking my vlogging spot. And then I have the other little guy, sorry for the mess. He's just sleeping right there under my clothing rack. But yeah, that is a little close-up of Thundy. He's so cute. Thundy, you gotta move, buddy. You gotta move so I can put mommy's vlog down. Come here. Okay, I don't think he's gonna move. Oh my god, he moves the second I put my camera down. Anyways, so yeah, my cats love it here. I love it here. I was worried I'd feel like anxious because now I'm completely alone. I live by myself. I don't plan on getting a roommate. And I thought I'd be nervous because there's like a basement and I'm really scared of basements. Like I told you guys that in this vlog when I was doing my empty house tour. I am like really scared of basements. I don't know. My laundry's down there and like I still haven't done laundry yet and I'm sure it'll be fine, but I don't know why I'm so scared of basements. Like they just give me the creeps, so I've kept the door shut the entire time. I plan on not going down there very often, but I kind of have to because you guys saw the treadmill's upstairs, but my landlord, she's moving it downstairs for me. She said she'll hopefully have that done for September, so you guys should see. I'm gonna do hopefully a video of setting up my home gym, and I'm gonna have to get used to living down there, like not living down there but going down there because of my gym. But yeah, I'm just scared of them, whatever. But other than that, I love living here. It's been great. I can't wait to show you guys like when I get everything set up, and you guys are about to see a lot of update vlogs and all that fun stuff. I think my next vlog is gonna be my room makeover because you guys saw that I'm gonna be painting it in this empty house store. It's all blue. I'm planning on doing a complete re-makeover, painting every single thing, the closet, the walls, everything. So I think that's gonna be my next vlog, hopefully. I don't know if things are gonna go as planned, but that's my goal. I just want to quickly end the vlog here because I don't want it to be too long. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this vlog and you guys are looking forward to more moving vlogs, empty house setups, I don't know, those type of lifestyle vlogs, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. It really supports me and it honestly means a lot to me. And also if you guys could just comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, let me know in the comments because comments really help YouTube push out my videos. And YouTube is like my dream, so every like comment and like and follow, like well subscribe, really means like everything to me because I don't know, it's weird to say this, but like YouTube is my entire dream. Like I just want to be YouTube for my entire life and I want you guys to love watching me. But yeah, other than that, my camera's gonna die, so I will talk to you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys, have a great day.